Ever wonder why your affiliate links aren't converting as expected? Stay tuned because in the next few minutes, I'm revealing the secret strategies top marketers use to not only track, but explode their affiliate link performance. Don't miss out on the proven techniques that could skyrocket your earnings starting today. When it comes to measuring the performance of your affiliate links, analytics tools are essential. They help you understand how effectively your links are driving traffic and generating conversions. One key metric to monitor is the click-through rate (CTR), which shows how many people clicked on your link compared to those who saw it. High CTR indicates that your content is compelling and your call to action is clear. Google Analytics is a powerful tool for tracking affiliate link performance. By setting up tracking codes, you can monitor where your traffic is coming from and how it's engaging with your site. Bitly is another popular option. This URL shortener also provides detailed analytics, including the number of clicks and the origin of those clicks. For those using specific affiliate networks, their dashboards often offer in-depth reports on clicks, conversions, and revenue, giving you a comprehensive view of your performance. Interpreting this data is crucial. If you notice a lot of clicks but few conversions, it might be time to review your landing pages or the relevance of the products you're promoting. On the other hand, a high conversion rate can teach you what resonates most with your audience. Use these insights to refine your strategy, focusing on what works and adjusting what doesn't. What's the most surprising thing you've learned about your audience from using analytics tools? Share your thoughts. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com now for your free access and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Placement is crucial when it comes to optimizing your affiliate links. You want to position them where they're most likely to get clicked. One effective strategy is to place links early in your content, whether it's a blog post, an email, or a video description. This increases the chances that your audience will see them before they scroll away or get distracted. Also, don't be afraid to include multiple links throughout your content. Just make sure they're naturally integrated and not overwhelming. Now let's talk about the power of call to action buttons. These buttons can dramatically increase your click-through rates compared to simple text links. Make them stand out with contrasting colors, persuasive language, and strategic placement. For example, if you're writing a blog post, a brightly colored button that says "Shop Now" or "Learn More" can catch a reader's eye better than a hyperlink buried in the text. A/B testing is another fantastic way to optimize your affiliate links. This involves creating two versions of your content to see which performs better. You could test different link placements, different colors and calls to action, or even different products. Over time, you'll gather data that shows you exactly what works best for your audience. Tailoring links to your audience's interests can also make a big difference. If you know your audience is passionate about certain topics or products, make sure your affiliate links reflect that. This not only enhances the relevance of your links, but also builds trust with your audience. Mobile optimization is another key factor to consider. With so many people accessing content on their phones, it's essential that your affiliate links are easily clickable on smaller screens. Make sure buttons are large enough to tap and that links appear prominently in your mobile site layout. Lastly, don't underestimate the impact of visual elements. Including images or icons next to your affiliate links can increase visibility and engagement. For example, if you're promoting a product, add a thumbnail image of the product next to your link. It gives your audience a visual cue that can entice them to click. What's one strategy you think will work best for your audience? Let us know in the comments.